Hello, my name is Jennifer Moss from WGVU. On behalf of Groundswell, I am here today to talk about how you can help protect our water. In order to protect our water, we first need to figure out how healthy it is. One way to explore water quality is by collecting macroinvertebrates. Now, these are small aquatic organisms that are used as an indicator of water quality. Today, we will learn how to install a device to collect macroinvertebrates, also called macros. Now, these devices are called Hester Dendys.
A Hester Dendy is a stack of plates attached to a post. It is installed in a stream or river and left for about a month. During that time, macroinvertebrates will make their home between the plates. Start by assembling the Hester Dendy. Stack about 8 plates with a washer between each plate. Use the eye bolt and butterfly nut to hold the stack together. Next, attach the stacks to a T-post. Thread a large zip tie through the eye bolts, then wrap the zip tie around the T-post near the bottom. Distribute the Hester Dendys evenly around the post, then tighten the zip ties so the plates are secure against the post. Don't forget that you must obtain a permit before installing anything in a stream or river. You can work with a local watershed organization to apply for a permit. Now that the sampling device is assembled, we are ready to install it in the stream or river you are testing. Place it near the bank but still in the flow of the water. Look for a spot with existing macroinvertebrate habitat. This would include vegetation, leaves, and rocks. Installing the Hester Dendy requires a little bit of guess and check. The post needs to be deep enough so it's secure. This can be challenging depending on what is at the bottom of the river. You might have to try a few spots before you find the best one. You can also use a cinder block to keep it secure. The depth of the water doesn't matter. Just make sure the plates are touching the bottom and are completely covered by water. You'll also want to consider how visible the post will be from the shore. I try to make sure it's somewhat hidden so people passing by aren't tempted to pull it out. Once it's installed, it needs to stay in the water for about 4 weeks. You can store your macros in a container of water in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks until you have time to identify them.
Thank you, Brenda, for showing us how to install a Hester Dendy. Check out our other videos in this series to learn how to identify the macros you collect. Together, with your help, we can keep our water clean. This video was made possible through support from the Wege Foundation, Great Lakes Stewardship Initiative, Grand Valley State University College of Education, and WGVU.